Banking, the Bank Register, Part 3 of 3. From the Bank Register, we can quickly enter banking transactions of various types. If we wanted to enter a spend money transaction to our checking account, we would select that type from the drop-down, enter the date, a vendor card in the card field, the amount, and the account for posting. We could enter a check number, but AccountEdge will normally auto-sequence the check number. We can enter a job, memo, and category if we use these features. If more than one account is being used to post expenses, we could click the split button. This will open the spend money window, and we can enter the other account or accounts here. If we had handwritten a check and wanted to just record this in AccountEdge, we can use the spend money transaction and click the split button to open the spend money window. In this window, we could indicate that the check is already printed. By checking this box, the check will not appear on the print checks list. The same process would be followed to record a receipt to our checking account using the Receive Money transaction. In the card field, we would enter a reference to the customer, and we would indicate the account here. Or open the Receive Money window and enter one or more accounts. Spend money transactions should not be used to pay bills. To pay bills, we should use the Pay Bill transaction. And in the Purchases area of AccountEdge, we can select the bills to pay. Receive Money should not be used to receive customer payments. We should use the Receive Payments transactions for customer invoice payments, and in the Sales area of AccountEdge, we can select the invoices in which to apply customer payments. For both Spend Money and Receive Money transactions, we can save the transaction information using the Recurring button. When we use the recurring transaction, we can make changes to all fields before actually recording the transaction, and in case something such as the amount changes. We can enter a sale using a miscellaneous invoice layout and receive a payment on that invoice using the Enter Sale type. We can receive a payment from a customer using the Receive Payment type. AccountEdge will apply the payment to the oldest invoice for that customer first. In AccountEdge, using the Enter Purchase type, we can enter a purchase using the miscellaneous layout bill and pay that bill. In AccountEdge, we can pay a bill from a vendor. Using this type, AccountEdge will apply the payment to the oldest bill from the vendor first. These latter two types of transactions are not available in AccountEdge Basic. We can also make transactions to our credit card account from the bank register. We can record a charge to the account from the bank register using the Enter Charge type. We can record a credit to our credit card account using the Enter Credit type. In AccountEdge, we can record a bill using a miscellaneous bill layout and the payment of that bill with our credit card with the Enter Purchase type. And in AccountEdge, we can record the payment to a vendor using our credit card by selecting the Pay Vendor type of transaction. These latter two types of transactions are not available in AccountEdge Basic. This ends Part 3 of 3, concluding our Bank Register video tutorial.